Hey everyone, Kyle here from HM Before Dawn, and today is my first ever vlog. Can't see really well. I just woke up. I don't know what time it is, but anyway, it's AM, and now I was just gonna go get some stuff. I'm in my pajamas now. Yeah, it's 7:15. Okay, I guess. Well, I was gonna go get some food. Jordan, wanna get some food? Come on. Okay, so we're gonna get some food. So we're just gonna go. We just got an argue yesterday, and if you can see where we are now, we're in my living room. If like that, let me switch it around. There, it's my living room. Yeah, my TV. That's usually our coffee table, but that's our dining table. But we always eat here instead of eating there because the TV is right there. Only if we have a lot of people, then we eat there. So yeah. So I'll be making Minecraft videos as well. Call of Duty Dino Hunters videos as well, and also sorry there. And stop it, you'll fall. That chair is not stable. Okay, anyways, yeah, we're gonna be watching some TV, I guess. So, okay, there it is. Okay, see you later.